The Seattle Monorail is an iconic symbol of the city's innovative spirit and a testament to mid-20th century urban planning and engineering. Since its inception, the monorail has represented both the promise of futuristic transit solutions and the complexities inherent in integrating new technologies into existing urban landscapes. The Seattle Monorail was constructed for the 1962 World's Fair, known as the Century 21 Exposition. This event, aimed at showcasing futuristic technologies, was a perfect backdrop for introducing a state-of-the-art transportation system. The monorail was built by the Allweg Rapid Transit Systems, a pioneer in monorail technology, and opened to the public on March 24, 1962. The project cost $3.5 million and was completed in less than a year, a remarkable feat of engineering and coordination. The Seattle Monorail was designed as a single elevated rail system, with two parallel tracks running approximately 1 mile between Seattle Center and Westlake Center in downtown Seattle. The trains are electrically powered and can travel at speeds up to 45 miles per hour. The monorail's sleek, aerodynamic design was a visual representation of the optimism and forward-thinking characteristic of the 1960s. The use of elevated tracks was a strategic choice to avoid the congestion and limitations of street-level transportation. The monorail's construction featured concrete pillars supporting the tracks, minimizing the ground footprint and reducing the need for extensive land acquisition. Upon its introduction, the monorail was celebrated as a symbol of Seattle's progressive vision and commitment to innovation. It quickly became a popular mode of transportation, not only for visitors to the World's Fair but also for Seattle residents. The monorail demonstrated the potential of elevated rail systems to provide efficient, rapid transit in urban environments. Over the years, the monorail has maintained its status as a beloved Seattle landmark. It has provided reliable transportation between downtown and Seattle Center, connecting key attractions such as the Space Needle, the Museum of Pop Culture, and various entertainment venues. The monorail's distinctive appearance and historical significance have made it a tourist attraction in its own right. Despite its initial success and ongoing popularity, the Seattle Monorail has faced several challenges. Maintenance and operational costs have been significant, leading to periodic discussions about its financial sustainability. Additionally, as the city's transportation needs have evolved, the monorail's limited route and capacity have become apparent limitations. Efforts to expand the monorail system have encountered numerous obstacles. In the early 2000s, the city proposed the Seattle Monorail Project, which aimed to develop a larger monorail network to alleviate traffic congestion and provide a comprehensive transit solution. However, the project faced funding shortfalls, political opposition, and logistical challenges. Ultimately, the expansion plans were abandoned in 2005 after voters rejected a tax increase intended to fund the project. Despite these setbacks, the Seattle Monorail continues to operate and serves as a reminder of the city's innovative spirit. Recent discussions have focused on modernizing the existing system, improving integration with other transit options, and potentially revisiting expansion plans with new funding strategies and technological advancements. In an era of increasing urbanization and environmental concerns, the monorail represents a valuable case study in alternative transportation solutions. As cities worldwide grapple with traffic congestion and the need for sustainable transit, the experiences of the Seattle Monorail offer insights into the benefits and challenges of elevated rail systems.